back from the dead.
What's up, everybody? Wow, what a crazy weekend this has been that I've had. Start off my day, I forgot my chest mount for my GoPro. I catch my first fish not on camera. What else happened? Oh, I lost a fishing pole in the lake, but thankfully I was able to fish it out. Didn't catch that on camera, I wish I would have. And I didn't catch a lot of fish, but I did catch some fish, and I just got this gnarly like farmer's tan. So it's been a rough week. I haven't had a lot of time to do fishing this week either. The weather's been so-so, but I've just been so busy with work and things like that. So hope you guys enjoy. Oh yes, and I forgot, because I forgot my chest piece, I also did not have my microphone. So you'll see me fishing, you'll see me catching fish, but there's not gonna be any audio. I apologize. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys on Saturday. Peace.